Okay, so now I'll show you how to find the coordinates of the angles 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 135 degrees. So first, we are going to find the radian measures of these angles, starting with 90 degrees. In finding the radian measures, we will be using the formula pi over 180. So pi over 180 times the angle measurement, which is 90 degrees. Okay, now it is pi over 2. So our 90 degrees over here is equal to pi over 2. Remember that this pi over 180 degrees is constant when finding the radian measurements. Now, next, we will now find the coordinates of this 90 degrees since we already found the radian measures. Okay, I'm just gonna write it down. Okay, so the coordinates of this 90 degrees is 0, 1. How? Okay, so since our unit circle over here is, the radius is always equal to 1, so this part over here is equal to 1. And 0 because a unit circle center is always at the origin, which is 0. So that is why the coordinate of this 90 degrees is 0, 1. Next is the 120 degrees. Like what we did in the 90 degrees, we will find the radian measures of this angle. So pi over 180 times 120 is equal to 2 pi over 3. Okay, so pi over 180 times 120 degrees is equal to 2 pi over 3. Okay, so we will plot it now. 2 pi over 3. Then we will now find the coordinates of this 120 degree angle. Okay, so here's the deal. In this part over here, the quadrant 1, both the x and y are positive. So that's why these coordinates are all positive. So since we are now plotting the quadrant 2, we will be using the characteristics of the quadrant 2. So this part over here is more like a mirror to the quadrant 1. So we will just like copy the coordinates and change the sign since we are now in quadrant 2, which is the x is negative and the y is positive. So it would be negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2 over here, since it's like a mirror, but the difference is the signs. So the 120 degrees coordinate is negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. Okay, now we know. Next is the 135 degree angle. Like how we did it in the previous, we will be finding the radian measures. So pi over 180 times 135, which is the angle measurement, and it will be equal to 5 pi over 6. So pi over 180 times the 135 degree angle measurement is equal to 5 pi over 6. So now we know the radian measure of this angle is 5 pi over 6. Okay, now, so we will be, again, look at the angle of this quadrant 1, the coordinates I mean. Okay, so since the coordinates of this part over here is square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2, we will just like, again, copy it, but the difference, again, is the sign since it's in quadrant 2. So it would be negative 2 over 2 and square negative square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so here is it. Here it is. 90-degree angles coordinate is 1, 0, while 20-degree angles coordinate is negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2, and the 135 degrees coordinates is negative square root of 2 over 2 and positive square root of 2 over 2. That's how you do it.